Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website. They're free. Or click down here in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, if you're looking for a new broker, you're an active trader, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. These guys are the best in the business, best customer service. Hands down, guys, been using these guys for years. If you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com. You won't be disappointed. They're a sister company of Cobra Trading, guys. So check them out. You won't be disappointed. All right, so Facebook, daily chart, 1.33% down, 2.38 in the red, with 23 million shares traded on a day. We talked about this thing retracing up into the 618-750 area. Never made it there. 3 days down. Volume picked up a little bit, but some nice follow through. It's trying to hold this lower trend line, guys. This is a big trend line. It's been channeling in here for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, guys. Up and down, up and down. It looked like it was breaking out here. Fake out, boom, right back down to the lows, bounces off the 200, some support in here off these little pivots here, and maybe even a gap fill right there. Yeah, that is a gap fill right there, right at 168.41. That was the place to step up. Boom, you get about 2 weeks up, right to the 618, to the breakdown bars, bam, right back down with the markets. Markets sell, everything goes with it. It is called a market trade. If you follow me on StockTwits, I always do hashtag market trade. Markets go down, everything's going down, period. So be careful with Facebook, guys. The bears, this is exactly what you wanted to see. Retrace into here, then the next leg down. If this continues sideways below the MAs, this will be setting up for lower prices. For the bulls, you got to get back above these MAs and get back above this high pivot right around 185.59. If you could do that, then we'll be up and away, possibly to retest the highs and get to that $200 area. If this stays below the MAs and consolidates, most likely the lower prices will come. Now we're waiting for pattern. We're going to see what the weekly close does, which is very important. With my members at StockBookie.com, we've been nailing the SPY right on the money. As the SPY was going up, we were adding shorts, shorting calls. We're starting to cover all of them in the last 3 days. So it's been working out great for us at StockBookie.com. All right, let's go to Apple. Apple daily chart, we did 1.75% down, $3.12. We had 48 million on the day, so pretty good volume here. But check this out with Apple. So we go up. Another one, just like Facebook. We're big into this big trend line. Gets above, comes back in. Gets above, comes back in. Gets above, comes back in. That's the line in the sand for Apple right now. You also have a lower trend line. Let's see if we can. You know what? I'm going to stick this one right here. Let's see what this one brings. Yeah, ooh, I like that one. So there's your channel here. Gets below, pops right up, almost gets above. Look at that. Gets above. You have overhead resistance from this little consolidation. Comes here, couple little tails, boom, finally goes down. Fills the gap, holds this last 175 area. We're going to see if Apple goes sideways or does it start to come in. You're still above the MAs on the daily, still in the strong stance. Apple was the one leading the charge. Apple doesn't go up, the markets are going to have a little bit of trouble. But we did close right here at gap fill, right below it. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Do we get a Friday sell-off or do we just get a pause day from the last 3 days of getting beat up here? We're going to find out tomorrow. If the volume on the spider is pretty good in the morning, say in the first hour or so, if it's about 30-40 million, then I would expect more selling. But again, you never know with these markets. Buy the dip mentality is still 100% involved in these markets. You know, the buy the dippers that, you know, it dips and they just got to come in. So, but this, we had a great Apple trade on here. The video is posted on my YouTube channel. Check that out with trade confirmations and all that. And let's see what happens with this one. We did short some calls up in here with Apple. Let's see if they're coming in nicely, I should say. But if I get 50% or more on my short calls, I just pull the position. I'm done, guys. That's enough for me, 50% all day long. I will take that every day of the week. So Apple, guys, if you are long, you got to break above this high. You have to. It looked like it was going to go 180.54, and this little sell candle here, and the close below the other day's low on this candle yesterday, and then this follow through, Volume picked up a little bit. Gosh, if we get more volume tomorrow, I'm telling you, we're going to be down in here, guys. We're going to be retesting this and coming right back into the 200 MA. Bullish, you got to stay above the moving averages, and you got to get right back and crack through this all-time high. Then 182.50, 185, possibly 190, 200 maybe. I mean, it's a big even number. Everyone's probably looking for that. So does it get there? The markets are going to have to stay buoyant or stay light. Then this one could possibly grind higher. If this starts to slide below the MAs, then you're most likely going to start retesting lows and filling this gap down here and possibly coming down to the 150 area then. So watch Apple, guys. There were some people thinking this was a big bull flag. Kind of got burned and roasted on that one. Right back up in the big resistance. Let's see if this holds. I mean, you have a lot of chop for the last couple months here, and that's going to be a lot of resistance as well as support coming down. That cracks and comes through here with lower prices to come. If the SPY, the IWMQ sell, look out below, guys. Amazon. So Amazon today, $19 down. This has been the strong horse, 1.26% on 6 million shares traded, or almost 7 million shares traded. We'd have a nice pullback and then, buy the dip. We did fill the gap, though, right here. So we started bouncing. Did we close above? We did not close above the old all-time high, so you got to keep an eye on that. And we did not close above the gap right, what was it, a couple days ago? Gosh darn it. All right, let's get back. Volume disappears, and then next thing, this volume, that is. And man. All right, so anyway, so it closes below here. The gap fills there, so it closes below there. Still okay, still above the MAs. It's Amazon. They're buying the world, guys. They're going to take over everything. At least that's what CNBC says. So, a little bit extended on the monthly. That's what I'm playing on Amazon, guys. When you got the extension from the 20 MA at 1,000 and you're 500 points away, here's your target. This will be a $1,000 stock eventually when this is all said and done and the markets are done dumping. Guarantee. So, Amazon, let's go back to the daily. If you're in this thing long, just tighten the stops, because next thing you know, you're getting $100. You're getting some of these days here. If it does come, here's your first target here around 1,100. If you are bullish, it's got to stay above the MAs. It's got to get above the all-time highs and keeps going, guys. You got to get some more volume than this jicky jack crap going up. No volume going up, big volume selling. It's the same crap, different day on all these equities, guys. When something goes up and up and up and up and up and up and up, I mean, these are just unhealthy moves. That's it, guys. I don't care if it's Amazon. I don't care if it's Apple. I don't care what stock it is. If you get a move like this, the time will come. I wouldn't doubt this thing is a $600 stock again when it's all said and done, these markets correct. So just mark that on your calendar, guys. Say from StockBookie.com that John C. said $677. Wherever this 200 MA, it could be at 800, could be at 900, but eventually it will come back here. It's just a matter of time. But if you're bullish on Amazon, just tighten those stops up, guys. Don't turn a great trade into a turd, especially if you're in from 1,000, you get a $500 move, and you're not selling into this thing. No way, guys. So as long as it's staying up here, though, it's okay. We start slipping below the MAs, then watch out. It will be a market trade. The SPY goes up for 3 weeks. Amazon goes up for 3 weeks. The SPY moves down for 3 days. Guess what? Amazon down for 3 days. Just the way it is. Not big days, just little red days here. But eventually, if we get another 500,000 point down, Amazon's going to be around $1,400. You watch, it's coming down another 100. So be careful in these markets, guys, especially if you're bullish. If you're bears like me at StockBookie.com, then hey, you're covering trades today, covering short calls, and having a good time in these down moves. Eventually, we will be long on Amazon, but I'll be long down in here somewhere, maybe possibly lower. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching my video, stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe down here in the right-hand bottom corner. And, guys, if you want me to look at other symbols, send me an email at stockbookie@gmail.com. Let me know the symbol. I'll pump out a quick video for you, and we'll see which direction these markets go. Again, be careful in these markets. Watch volume on the SPY. Heavy volume means selling will most likely come in. And just stay alert, especially if you have long positions. Again, guys, thanks for stopping by. Really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.